So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Lloyd's split AC and the sound of air cutting is coming in that AC and your AC is not doing proper cooling, I will tell you the solution to this problem in today's video. If you are a technician, then this video is very helpful for you, and if you are a customer, then you can also get this problem fixed and you can fix your AC very easily. So let's start the video. Now I have pasted a paper to check the air throw of the AC so that it can be known whether air is coming properly or not. You can see that proper air is not coming from the blower. You can also hear the sound of air cut. Before locking the gas of AC, turn on your AC and open the outdoor side cover with the help of a screwdriver. When the compressor turns on, now open both the nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Now tighten the thin discharge pipe with a number 5 nut. Now after 1 minute, tighten the thick suction pipe with a number 5 nut. Now turn off the AC from the main switch. Now to take down the indoor unit, disconnect the wire supply from indoor to outdoor. Now break the plaster of Paris behind the indoor unit and disconnect the pipe of the indoor unit. Now take down the indoor unit. Now open the front cover of the AC and take out the filter neck. Now take out the swing flap gently. Now open all the screws of the front cover of the indoor unit. Now open the screws of the display and remove the display. Now open the 3 locks on the top of the front cover and take out the front cover. Now open both the screws on one side of the cooling coil and take it out. Now open and remove the power circuit board. Now open the screw on the other side of the cooling coil. Now remove the back cover of the indoor unit. Now separate the cooling coil from the body. You can see that there is a lot of dust in the AC blower and there is a lot of dust in the train assembly as well. Now remove the fan motor from the blower and take it out. You are viewing all the open parts of the indoor unit. Cover the open pipe of the AC's cooling coil with a plastic nut or tape so that water does not enter it. You can see that sticky dust has accumulated in the coil of the indoor unit, due to which the problem of air cutting is occurring in the indoor unit. Now we will clean the indoor unit with the pressure of a jet pump. Please note that the pressure of a jet pump is very high. High pressure can damage the cooling coil, so reduce the pressure a little and clean it. If the air throw in AC is less and air is less and sound of air cutting is heard, then you should clean the AC in this way. Believe me, your AC will work like new and electricity bill will also be reduced substantially. Air throw will also increase substantially. The garbage is stuck deep inside. This garbage will come out with the pressure of jet pump. After cleaning, the cooling coil looks like new. Do not work in a hurry, work slowly, and when you are satisfied that the cooling coil is clean, then only you should wash other parts. The cooling coil is a very important part of the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the dirt is removed. You can also clean it properly with surf water. This will remove the foul smell coming from the AC. Now wash off the surf water with clean water. Now the cooling coil has been cleaned properly. You can see that the blower is filled with a lot of garbage and dust. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure, it cannot be cleaned properly. If you clean the blower, then believe me, the flow of your AC will become completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. Now clean the main body of the indoor unit. Now wash the main body thoroughly with the help of surf water and sponge. Now wash the main body thoroughly with the pressure of a jet pump, and now wash all the parts of the AC with the same process. You can see all the washed parts of the indoor unit. After washing all the items, leave them for a while until the water drains out, and then wipe them thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Fit all the parts back. After this, install the blower and motor. Fix the fan motor cover and tighten it. Fix the cooling coil and tighten all its screws. After that, fit the PCB and attach the fan motor connector. Fix the swing motor and tighten it. After that, install the front cover and tighten all the screws. After that, install the filter net and close the cover. After that, carefully install the swing flap as well. After that, tighten the display in the front cover and close the front cover. Replace the back cover of the indoor unit. Now reinstall the indoor unit and tighten the pipe. After that, tighten the outdoor supply wire as well. Now open the thin pipe a little with Allenky tools and check for leakage with the help of surf and sponge. If there is no leakage in your AC, then open the gas completely and fit the nut and cover of the outdoor unit. Clean the outdoor unit of the AC with a jet pump pressure. Keep in mind that reduce the pressure of the jet pump a little. High pressure can damage the condenser coil. If you clean the outdoor unit with a jet pressure, then your AC will start working very well. Clean the outdoor unit with a little caution with a jet pressure because a PCB board is installed in the outdoor unit. Water entering into it can damage the PCB. While cleaning the outdoor unit from the front, keep in mind that there is a fan motor installed in front. Make sure that water does not enter the fan motor. By cleaning the outdoor unit, your AC will start working like a brand new AC. I hope you have understood the information given by me. So please like my video.